going on, y'all? Back with another video tonight, man. It's a little later in the day. Daylight savings be killing me. It's around 5:20 right now. It's already almost pitch black outside. I just want to make a video to let my subscribers know, or any other person watching these videos, just on life, man. Just on life, cause you always. So in order to be great, man, you're gonna have to take an L in life, man. That's just the way it go. The best you can do, man, is stay on your feet, cause there's always gonna be somebody waiting for you to mess up, man. Always. There's always gonna be somebody waiting for you to mess up. I don't care if it's for YouTube, your job, your lady, your girl, your wife. Like it's always gonna be somebody waiting for you to mess up, man. Cause they want to take your spot. They don't want to see you do good. They want to take your spot. They see all the shine you getting, and they want some of it. You always got people that's like that. We don't have enough people in the world that want to see somebody doing good. You know, we have too many people in the world that see somebody doing good and want to take their spot, and that's the problem. But I just want to make a video because for anything y'all want to do in life, man, just know, if y'all want to be great, man, you're gonna have to take an L, man. And it's always a test too, man, to see if you could keep pushing. So regardless of what you do in life, your business, YouTube, your job, anything, man. If you want to be good at playing video games, whatever it is, man, whatever it is in life, just know you're gonna have to take an L, man. You're gonna have to take an L in life to be successful. Like, that's part of the game, man. And my thing is, with the whole tall guy situation, people was just waiting. They was praying on that man to make a mistake, and boom, look, it happened, and they benefiting from it now. So just always watch your back, man. Always be careful about what you do in life, because everything it's easy. It's easy to lose everything, bro. It's the hardest to get everything, you know. So always be careful about what you do in life, and this ain't regarding just him, or it's regarding everybody. Like, I'm not making no video about nobody specific. This is about everybody in life. All my subscribers, all my fans, all my family, all my friends, everybody. If you plan on doing anything in life, man, you want to be successful, just be prepared to take L's, man, because you're gonna have to. If you want to be a winner, man, you gotta lose sometimes. That's just how it go, bro. I don't care if you're the richest, the most famous, the flyest, whatever. You're gonna have to take L's in life, man, and that's just real. Like, I just want to let y'all know, like, don't be afraid to take an L, man, because that's part of life. If you could get through a loss, man, you could get through anything, and you gotta be prepared for it. It's something in life you just gotta be ready for, and you gotta bounce back. When you're born, bro, people already hating that you came out, bro, that your birth was created, bro. It's crazy life work like that, because we get the most energy from negativity. Not me personally, but majority of the world feeds off negativity, and that's where all that energy come from. And it's sad to say that, but that's how it works, man. And you just gotta be one of them positive people where if negativity come your way, just be positive about it. Like, I promise you, man, the comments, especially in the comments from that last video I just did, bro, it's some disrespectful niggas in the comments on that. But you gotta just laugh at it. You gotta brush it off, man. It ain't nothing you could do. It's just a video, you know. So people gonna say what they want to say. They gonna say what they feel, and that's fine. That's 100% fine. You just gotta brush that off, because again, it's something. It's temporary, man. It's only words. You could get past it. I just want y'all to always watch y'all back, man. Watch who y'all friends is. Make sure what y'all do, who y'all do it around, man. Because I promise you, there's always people waiting for you to mess up. There's always people waiting for you to make a mistake, so they could either catch you doing it or become famous on something that's negative that you're doing. Because there's always gonna be people that gain success from somebody else's negativity or somebody else's success. So it's always gonna be people like that, and you just gotta get through it, man. And everybody gotta get through it, honestly. So no shots at nobody. Let's go for everybody. Just remember, the same people that joined you for the negativity, soon as you mess up, they gonna leave your channel too, or they gonna unfollow, or they gonna hate you too, man. So the ones that mess with you heavy gonna always mess with you. The ones that's like kind of iffy on it but just follow, the real ones gonna have your back, And the group of people that say they fuck with you, as soon as you fuck up, they gonna leave you in the dirt, leave you to get caught, whatever. That's all this video was about today, man. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Actually, I was supposed to put the lights in today, man. I promise y'all I was supposed to do it, but me and my son was just in the house chilling till that hat off. I ain't really want to do nothing. It was type chilly outside, so I ain't want to take him out. But tomorrow, probably during my lunch, I'm gonna pop them lights in. I'm gonna let y'all see them. Because stock factory lights, they always look a little more dull than the LEDs, which are a lot brighter, and I think I need a brighter light, so I'm gonna do that. But appreciate all my, matter of fact, Real King 72, appreciate you, man. D Easy, shout out to Simba RC chillin', Mr. PS Garage, Young Jock, appreciate you. James, appreciate you too, bro. Me and James was kicking it for a minute last night, just about things that's going on and on the YouTube thing. Simmons, appreciate you, man. QR25 DET, appreciate the sub, man. Appreciate you following the movement. East Coast Hurricane Waves, shout out to you, bro. Brian Hunter, JP. Oh, Shy City, man. Appreciate you too, bro. Shy City, you've been holding it down in the comments, bro. I appreciate you, like, being really holding it down, bro. Saeed, appreciate the subscription too, bro. And I think that's it. Deontay, appreciate you too, bro. I'm pretty sure that's it. Shane, appreciate you too, bro. Bad Dog 16, and I think that's pretty much it. I know there's a lot more than that, but that's all I got. My notifications for all the names. I know there's a couple other people in there as well. Shout out to everybody that just joined the movement, join the channel. I can tell y'all right now, it's pretty much gonna be nothing but positivity on this, man. I try to help brands, man. I don't try to bring them down, and I pretty much do a lot of car content. So for people that's watching, y'all already know, man. Y'all know how I get down. I don't do the bullshit. That's not what this channel is about. It's about cars. It's about collabing with people, meeting other people with crazy cars. But that's it. That's all I got for y'all today, man. I appreciate y'all for watching this video as well. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. We're gonna get them lights put in, and I'm out, y'all. Peace.